Welcome back to Dream Autos, where we bring you the finest in luxury, performance, and innovation. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at the 2026 Lincoln Navigator, a flagship SUV that continues to redefine American luxury. From the very first glance, the 2026 Navigator makes a bold statement. Its redesigned front fascia features a more sculpted grille and sleek, adaptive LED lighting that gives it a commanding road presence. The updated body lines are more aerodynamic, and the chrome accents along the sides add a touch of elegance without being overstated. Available in a new range of colors and riding on 22-inch turbine-style wheels, the Navigator is built to impress. Step inside, and you're immediately immersed in an atmosphere of refined sophistication. Lincoln's signature black label themes are back with even more customization, offering materials like Venetian leather, open-pore wood, and brushed aluminum trim. The seats offer 30-way adjustability with massage functionality for both driver and passenger, ensuring unmatched comfort on any journey. Technology in the 2026 Navigator is smarter and more intuitive than ever. The centerpiece is a massive 15.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by the latest Sync 5 software, seamlessly integrated with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. A new digital instrument cluster and an available head-up display provide critical information without taking your eyes off the road. Audiophiles will appreciate the upgraded Revel Ultima 3D audio system, with 28 speakers placed strategically throughout the cabin for a truly immersive sound experience. Rear passengers are treated to their own entertainment screens, USB-C ports, and climate control options, making long drives more enjoyable for everyone. Under the hood, the 2026 Navigator continues to offer a powerful 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering 450 horsepower and 510 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, the drive is both powerful and refined. Lincoln's adaptive suspension with Road Preview reads the road ahead and adjusts in real time, offering one of the smoothest rides in its class. Fuel efficiency has also improved slightly thanks to enhancements in engine tuning and aerodynamics. For those looking for greener options, Lincoln is expected to release a hybrid version later in the year, bringing more choice to eco-conscious drivers. Safety has always been a priority for Lincoln, and the 2026 Navigator comes fully equipped with the Co-Pilot 360 2.5 suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and the hands-free Blue Cruise driving system on select trims. Whether you're cruising through city streets or embarking on a long road trip, the 2026 Lincoln Navigator delivers an experience that is both luxurious and capable. With its blend of power, elegance, and technology, it's more than just a full-size SUV. It's a mobile sanctuary. That's all for today's review on Dream Autos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews on the latest luxury vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.